How to decide the max CPC limit if we are using maximize clicks, and how to decide if a keyword, how to decide bid of a keyword if we are using manual CPC. So manual CPC, cost per click is a vanity metric. I really don't care much about it as long as my campaign is profitable, first of all. And secondly, I'm not losing out on the search impression share. So the first one is, how do you decide the max CPC limit? If you are not getting any impressions, that means Google can't get you impressions at that click price, increase it or raise it. The same thing with manual. If you're not getting any impressions, you've got to raise it. What would you rather have? I'm going to ask this question to all of you, or those watching this video as a recording. What would you rather have? A cheap click and a low conversion rate, which will make your cost per conversion high, or an expensive click with a high conversion rate, which will get your cost per acquisition low? I know which one I would want. It's the second one. So I would be happy to bid more, because if I bid high, the mentality of majority of the Google Ads advertisers is cheap clicks, cheap, 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 cheap. I'm going to outbid them. I'm going to outrank them. I'm going to beat them in every auction. And my ads are going to run more. So don't just go for the cheap click. Cheap click is cheap for a reason. Expensive clicks are expensive for a reason. Expensive clicks convert. Think that way. Not just for the clicks. Clicks don't give me anything. I want conversions, right?